So are you guys afraid to make money online? You know what? Screw this. I want to talk to you guys face to face. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I just wanted to pop out here today and just chat with you guys for a second. And what I really want to talk about and what I really want to try to understand is what is exactly is holding you back from progressing in your online business. Like, what is it that is stopping you from making money online? Like, is it that you're afraid to make the money? It must be because there's not a lack of information out here. You know, there's thousands upon thousands of people that are out here teaching this internet marketing, affiliate marketing, information. And if there's a gap in something that you don't know, whether it's traffic generation, or building a squeeze page, or conversions, or putting together content, or whatever the case may be, or technical issues, there's a course out there and there's free information out there on YouTube. All this stuff is out there. So if it's not the information that's holding you back, is it just that you're afraid to make money online? Or is it that you aren't consistent? You aren't disciplined? Maybe you have to really sit down and think about, is this really what you want? You know, because I know that you go online, you see these videos on YouTube, and you see these sales pages, and you see these gurus, throw up these crazy screenshots where they made hundreds of thousands of dollars in 1 month, and you're thinking to yourself, man, I really want that. And some of you may just be thinking, man, I just want to make $500 a month extra or $1,000 extra a month, right? I just want to do that. And here's the thing, guys, it's completely possible. It's completely possible. Everybody starts out at the same place. It's what you do with it, right? So if there's something that you don't know, learn it. Like whatever the gap is, figure that out. And then be disciplined. Work at your business every single day. There should not be a day that goes by that you're not working at your business. If this is something that you really want, if you're saying that this is what you want, then you should be passionate about it. You should be disciplined to set a couple hours a day aside to work at your affiliate marketing business and just be consistent. Be consistent every single day. All right. So the other thing, and I don't want you guys to take this the wrong way, but because I'm not no personal development guru or anything, but it's really a lot about mindset. Like a lot of people destroy themselves before they even get started because they're so negative, right? They're so negative. And I mean, the moment they get started, they're thinking to themselves, it's not going to work for me. I'm not going to make any sales. This could possibly be a scam. And I mean, it just hurts their possibility from even starting. Like, how can you actually give something your all and give something 100% and actually try to do it if you're so negative going into it? It just doesn't even make sense. I mean, you're actually hurting yourself. And if you don't change your mindset and put some positivity, in your mindset and say, okay, I'm going to try this. I'm going to give it my all, my 100%, for whatever amount of time. And let's just see what happens. And those people that do that are the people that actually break through, because I know initially when you start out, it can be difficult. You may not make money, right away. I mean, some people want this instant, success where like they want to run one campaign and they want to make $10,000, on their first ad campaign. And guys, it just doesn't work like that. But here's my promise to you. If you're disciplined, if you're consistent, if you work at your business every single day, if you take those gaps of things that you don't know and you learn about it, if you buy courses, if you get the free information on YouTube or whatever you get the information, just get it. I promise you that you can start making money online, guys. You can do it. You can do it. You just have to be focused and you have to be disciplined and you have to determine whether, this is going to be for you, if you're going to do this wholeheartedly, or you might as well just quit. You know, like, don't waste your time and your money not being 100% all in. You know, so, you know, at least give it 30, 60, 90 days to say, okay, for 90 days, I'm going to be all in, right? I'm going to do as much as I can, even if you don't have a lot of money to spend, you know, in terms of advertising. Whatever the case may be, if you're doing YouTube marketing, if you're doing blogging, like for 90 days, just be all in and then make a determination if you can do this, you know, like, because I guarantee if you go all in for 90 days, you're going to have a breakthrough. If you're disciplined and if you're consistent, you will break through. And when you start seeing those first couple of sales come through, it's a feeling you'll never, ever, you know, be able to explain. You know, the joy in seeing those affiliate commissions come in, it's immense. And I want everybody watching this video to achieve that, right? So again, in terms of just starting out, so like when I started out with affiliate marketing, what I suggest you guys should do and what I did myself and still do to a large degree is I leverage systems, done for you systems and programs that are already out there for me, you know, because I didn't know how to put together a squeeze page. I didn't know how to, you know, make a squeeze page. I didn't know about HTML and hosting, and I'm still not technical to this day, guys. I'm barely, you know, I do enough to be dangerous, but I'm not a technical guy when it comes to this stuff. So what I did was I leveraged programs and done for you systems to do a lot of the heavy lifting for me while I was learning the business, while I was learning how to drive traffic, while I was learning about YouTube marketing, while I was learning about branding, while I was learning about this and that and everything else. And you can still, you know, I still learn while I earn. So what you need to do, if you haven't really started making any money, this is my suggestion. You don't have to do it, but I would suggest that you leverage done for you systems that, you know, give you a complete sales funnel. They hand it to you. You get squeeze pages, you get sales pages, you get content, you get email follow-ups, you get webinars, you get training, you know, training on traffic generation, training on how to, you know, convert, training on branding, training on how to do video marketing, training on how to do this, that, and the other. And you can start learning while you're earning. And that's exactly what I did, guys. I jumped into these different systems, these done for you sales funnels, and I started driving traffic. And as I was driving traffic, I started having minimal success. And as I had minimal success, I learned more from doing those ad campaigns, and I was learning how to tweak. I started doing video marketing. I started doing other types of advertising that was able to enhance my business even more. So you have to take baby steps just getting started. But the point is you got to do it and you have to be consistent. And if you're not willing to be disciplined and be consistent, then there's really no reason to actually even be wasting your time, you know, like, and be positive, be very, very positive. So I hope that made sense, guys. I know I kind of went on a rant here, but you know, you can do it. You can definitely do it. So are you afraid to make money online? Or is it just that you don't want to really do this, right? So you have to answer that question for yourself. You know, leave a comment below. Like, what is it that's holding you back? What is that holding you back? Is it that you have a lack of information? Are you hesitant? Are you afraid? Are you not disciplined? Are you not consistent? What is it that's holding you back from being successful in your online business? Guys, it's John from JohnMcNeil.com. Make sure you check the links, the description below for any resources. I'll actually put a couple done for you systems down in the description. So if any of those systems resonate with you, go ahead and just get started, guys, and give yourself 90 days to transform your online business. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com, and make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking that little blue icon, that little John McNeil icon below. It should be probably on this side of the video. Subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video with people that you feel like would resonate with it. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.